Okay, my beautiful people, we are walking to 5 and below. I'm taking you guys with me on a vlog real quick. There goes my daughter. It is nighttime and it is cold where I'm at. Come on, girl. Open that door. Alright, coming in. It looks very lonely over here. Alright. Let's see what they got. No. Alright, that's my son. He wants something. He's trying to get something. Look at him. Look at him. These are cute. Alright, let's see what else they got over here. You see they got sweaters. 5 and below stepping up their game up. Look at y'all. Alright. Alright. What'd you find, boo-boo? Look at him. Oh, you like it. Look at him. You like it. What a cutie. Oh, never mind. He threw it back. He said he good. He good. Alright, I'm going to go on a quick little break and we'll be back. Alright, my beautiful people. We are at 5 and below. Just checking out some stuff. I figured I would take you guys with me since I've been so busy this week. Look at this stuff. Bam. Anybody's tried those? Those are really good. Highly recommend those. Are really good. Especially that one right there. I love it. Charcoal. Alright. These for face mask. Look at that. Good as gold. $2. You can't beat that. Then you got the scrubbies. Hey. Alright, let's go ahead and take it over here. See what they got. Look at my son. He's being destructive. Look at him. They have the little kits right here. Look at that. Lip glosses. Nail polish. You can't beat that. Then you got the perfume section. You gotta always be careful because my son, he likes to grab. Believe me. Gel stuff. Colors. They actually got really good colors here though. I'll be honest. I don't know what this is. Alright. Watches. Want to get your bling on? There you go. Bam. Can't beat those. And then you got those palettes. Look at that. Those are actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. They're pretty good. Alright. I don't know what I'm going to purchase. I mainly brought the kids here because they wanted to come. So I'll let you know what they got. Oh, and you can't go wrong. Wait a while, you know. Wait a while is my stuff. Alright, you guys. I'm in the phone section. I had to come over here because they're looking at me crazy. And they're like, what are you doing? Proving them wrong. That's kind of cute. Whoever you people with the iPhones. Yes, I'm talking to you. They got a couple stuff for y'all. You know me, I'm more of an Android person. Sorry, but I am. I love my Android. Can't switch, not yet. This is my Android section over here. They got a couple stuff. Oh, never mind. Still iPhones. Alright, my son is coming through right here in the middle. He's getting out the way. Nope. It's still. See? What's going on, Galaxy? Bam, they say Galaxy. See? Now we're in the note section. Alright, and then they have electronics. So look at that stuff. If you ever been here, definitely highly recommend come here. Kids love it. You'll find a lot of good stuff for yourself. Alright, let me put the phone down because people are looking at me crazy again. Alright, my people, now we're going to Walmart. I know my girls, Purple and Blue TV, I know they do not like their Walmart, but we're heading in, people. Alright, my people, we're inside of Walmart, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna hear my son in the background. Alright, look at my other son. I don't know what he doing. You see him? Alright, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna flip cameras right now. Alright, I had to move quick because people were looking. They were looking at me weird. They were like, what am I doing? We were 5 below earlier, and they were looking at me like, So, alright, I'm gonna show you what we could find over here at Walmart. Look, backpacks are on sale. Show you something. That's what they should be having on sale when it's time for the kids to go back to school. I'm telling you. Watch. Look at the backpacks. That's what should be on sale. Clearance. This is the best time to get the backpacks for the kids. I'm telling y'all. The best to get on it. I'm telling y'all. Look at this. And then little glasses. Look at this. You got the glasses. Not bad. My son approves. Look at he's pointing that one. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Alright, we are in the nail section. I love the nail section. There goes my ear spun. I know people love their Laura Mercier, but this is what I love to use. Nail color selection. Nail colors. And then we're going to go to the brushes real quick. So I'm probably making you guys dizzy. I apologize. Elf has great stuff. I'm not going to lie. I'm trying to see if they had the new Wet n Wild highlighters. I definitely want to check those out. I haven't seen those yet. Those are really good. Like that. Lip liners. Alright. Let's see. We are in the CoverGirl section. Alright, let's go around. Alright, we are in the lip liner section. Maybelline. Maybelline is really good makeup. I'm not gonna lie. Love this stuff. I don't want to be too loud because people are like, what the? Alright, we are in my Wet n Wild section. So far, I do not see my highlighter. They do got the new ones though right here. I might try those. I don't know yet. But let me see what else they got. Look at that. Yeah, unfortunately, do I see it? Or might be in here. Nope. Alright, you guys. We'll be right back. Wet n Wild, don't sleep on that because Wet n Wild is really good. And you know the best place to always go is the clearance section. Don't snooze on the clearance section. No, no, no. See what they got. Let's see what they got. Let's see what kind of bins and stuff they got. Glitter. $4. Let's see. Believe me, anytime you can save on makeup, definitely get it. Let's see, what is this? Glitter stuff. Is that a lip gloss, highlighter, glitter? I don't know, lip gloss. I don't know what that is. The highlighter sticks, eyeliner or something. Bam. Let's keep it looking. Let's see what we got. Elf. Elf, what is this? The hydrating serum. Oh, that's pretty cool. I know we got a lot of face stuff, so I don't know if I'll get this. Clara root touch up. Yeah, definitely need my roots done. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna keep on looking and I will let you know, guys, what I found. Excuse me, Zay. Sorry. I'm trying to get my daughter. Yeah, she's like on your own video. Yes, I am. Alright, let me cut you because people are looking in the other side, so I'm gonna let y'all go.